Today we are going to write three address code for this. Suppose if A less than B, then T is equal to C, else T2 is equal to D. So we can see that how many variables are there? That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total we can say 6 addresses are there, which are A, B, C, T1, T2 and D. But we can use maximum 3 only because this is known as 3 address code. So how we can write? We can write first condition, that is if A less than B. So we will write first condition if A less than B. If A less than B. What is next we don't know. So we will leave it blank initially. We will leave it blank initially and we will write here first. Right. So as it is in the code that if A less than B, then T1 is equal to C. So we will write if A less than B, then where it will go? We will write go to. And rest we will leave. We will not write anything now. We will leave like this. Now we will go to I plus 1. What is I plus 1? So we can see there if A less than B, then T1 is equal to C, else T2 is equal to D. So we will write this condition T2 is equal to D, because if this condition is not true, then this condition is true. So we will write T2 is equal to D. T2 is equal to D. Now next I plus 2. I plus 2 means if this is not true also, then where we will go? Then we will write go to. We will write go to. And now we will write next I plus 3. I plus 3. So I plus 3 we are writing T1 is equal to C. T1 is equal to C. And next we are writing I plus 4. I plus 4. I plus 4. So why we are writing these things, we will see now. First condition is A if A less than B. So if A less than B, go to, where we will go. So we have write all these things if A less than B, go to, and we have write T2 is equal to D, this one also, and we have write go to, where we will go next, and we have write T1 is equal to C also. So here we will know that if A less than B, then we need to go T1 is equal to C. So what is on the T1 is equal to C? That is I plus 3. So we will write here I plus 3. We will write here I plus 3. I plus 3. So if A less than B, then T1 is equal to C. So T1 is equal to C. Else T2 is equal to D. So T2 is equal to D. If this condition is not true, so second line will display. That's why we have write like this after this, because if this condition is not true, then this is the condition. So that's why we have write if A less than B, go to, leave the blank, and the second position we are writing T2 is equal to D at the second line. So now you will see after that what we are writing here, go to the next one. This is the condition. Why? I plus 4. Why I plus 4? Because if this work, we will go I plus 3, that is T1 is equal to C, right? And otherwise it will go to I plus 1, and if I plus 1 it will not work, then it will go to next, which is the next statement after this in the code. So go to I plus 4, that is this one. So I'll leave it blank because we don't know after that what is there, because we need to write only 3 address code for this line. So that's why we need to write like this. What is the condition? First, if A less than B, then we will write if A less than B, go to, because after that then T1 is equal to C is there. But this is if this is true, Then otherwise, what is the condition? T2 is equal to 2. So we will write this in the second line, because if this condition is fail, then it will go to this condition. So this condition will come next. So that's why we are writing I plus 1. In I plus 1 position, we are writing T2 is equal to T. And suppose if this also fails, then we will go this not work or this work. We can say if this work, then after that we will go to next one, because this statement is completed. So whatever is there in the code, we will go to the next one. So that's why we are writing after this I plus 2, go to. And go to which position? We are writing after this, because after this condition is completed. So we will go to the next line of the code. That's why we are writing go to the next one, which is empty now, because we don't know what is there, because only we need to write address code for this. We leave it blank. So in this position I plus 3, what we are writing? We are writing if A less than B, then T1 is equal to C. So we are writing at this position. So we need to see the ordering. Ordering should be correct. If order is not correct, then it will not work perfectly. As we know, it will go one by one. After this will come. After this will come. If this is correct, if we are having this one, so directly it will go to there. So this is the 3 address code for this.